Hi everyone. Today I'm going to cover how I install a spring into a DSG or similar gearbox. So this is a DSG. This is an M190 spring. And because I'm crazy, like a fox, this is a spring guide with 4 spring guide spacers. Thickness is about 2 teeth on the piston work. Let's call it that. So I'm going to clamp this down because don't want it moving. That would suck. Before I clamp it down, I'm going to add the other half of the gearbox, otherwise it's not going to work. Oh, oops, sorry, I think I moved it out of the way. My bad. So other half of the gearbox is on here. Here we go. I start with a shorter spring. For a screwdriver. It's a bit easier to do it that way. Then I put the longer driver in. It basically makes it a lot easier to hold this thing in. So then I'm going to install this right here and pray to God it works, because otherwise it's a pain otherwise. So I have my little it's called a stick knife. I'll think of a name for it later. Got this thing. It's actually designed for cutting toenails. Yeah, don't ask about that. But I use it because it's a nice little knife-like material. And basically, we're just nudging certain small things in now. Good. And the gearbox is closed. And we can screw it together now. I don't know if I'm going to be recording this and putting it online or not. It's kind of boring, but I'll record it anyways just because. Oh, wrong head. Yeah, I'm not going to record this anymore. Not that great, material-wise. Just so everyone knows, this actually is a GG gearbox. Just really good at this. And the reason why it's so hard to screw in is because I have Loctite on these screws already. This is actually was a quick mod I was doing to the O-ring because it wasn't sealing right, but much better now. So, yeah. Oh yeah, and this one actually has a brand new ZCI piston head with a ZCI O-ring, which I found actually seals really well in this case. There's Sorbo on the cylinder head. Not much to talk about there, I guess. Just making chit-chat now. Screwing this thing together. Yeah, and of course, hamster fed with fuse. 30 amp fuse. Honestly, that's all you ever really need. People who blow 30 amp fuses are either making extremely heavy builds or really bad at this. I don't know. You guys can tell me what you guys think in the comments too. You know, should I get a better fuse or what? Honestly, it won't matter. This gun's already made. And 5 points if you guys can recognize which gearbox this is. Cool. Just see the top screws now.